everyone! Today, let's talk about how to restore Mac from Time Machine Backup step by step. Time Machine is a helpful utility to back up data on Mac. It can help recover files or restore the Mac in case of data disaster. For Mac users, the best way to back up data is to use Time Machine. It can help you restore Mac from Time Machine in some cases. If data loss happened, you can recover data using Time Machine backups. It can also help transfer data after reinstalling macOS or changing new Mac. A Time Machine backup can also help to restore entire macOS with all apps and data if there are issues with the Mac startup disk. To begin, fire up Apple's Migration Assistant on your Mac. Within the Applications folder of macOS, you'll find Utilities. It is important to note that if your Mac boots into a Setup Assistant, asking for your country and network, you may skip this step and move on to the next one because the Setup Assistant already includes the Migration Assistance. Choose the option to transfer from a Time Machine backup or startup disk, and then press the Proceed button in the bottom right of the screen when prompted to choose how you would like to install your information. Next, navigate to the location on your external drive where the Time Machine backup you want to restore to your Apple Mac machine is stored. Then you need to select the items you want to transfer to the new Mac or system. To continue, please press the Continue button once more. Now that you know more about the transfer, Apple can help you choose products tailored to your specific needs and preferences. When you've made your choices and are satisfied, click the Continue button. Note that if you have two accounts on your Mac with the same name and reinstall one, you will be prompted to rename or replace the account. Connect the external hard drive with Time Machine backups to the Mac. Right-click the Time Machine icon at the top taskbar and choose Browse Time Machine Backups. Connect the external hard drive with Time Machine backups to the Mac. Right-click the Time Machine icon at the top taskbar and choose Browse Time Machine Backups. Restart your Mac and hold the power button during boot until you see loading startup options. Select Options and click Continue to enter macOS recovery mode. Select Restore from Time Machine option and click Continue button. Connect your Time Machine backup drive. Follow the on-screen prompts to select a backup and restore your system. In this way, it restores macOS, apps, files, and settings from Time Machine backup, returning your system to the previous working backup state. You also can use the third-party app to restore data on Mac without backup, such as Donemax Data Recovery. That's all for this video sharing. See you next time.